We've gotten a lot of questions on the one of the new features in the 8.0.5. I wanted to make a quick movie here to show you and answer a lot of the questions I've been getting in the hopes that it will help all of you get where you want to go better. So I'm going to start off. I've just gotten into coordinate geometry and I'm going to enter the 124 minus command. And you notice now we get this nice little screen up here which always defaults to the last job directory we're in. Well, let's say you wanted to search around your whole system and try to find another job directory. When you click on change directory here, it pulls up what is essentially a Windows Explorer screen and allows you to go around your drive here and look for things. Now, if you pick so let's say I'm going to go to this Camtasia directory here just because I know, and let's say I say OK here. Come up with a message that selector directory is not initialized for job storage. This simply tells you that wherever you went, there are no benchmark job directories. So it's not really a mistake or anything. It's just giving you some information that you're not in a directory that has benchmark. However, if I go to change directory again and I go to local disk C and I go to this bench directory and I click on anything here and I see this OK button, presto, I get this directory even though there's nothing in it. I have everything. So as you can see from what I'm doing here, everything that you used to use 300 and 301 minus for is not taken care of with this useful set of buttons and commands here. I can print whatever jobs are in this directory. I can print a list of. I can also do something very cool that you could do before. If you remember, the old benchmark structure was 20 jobs in a directory. If I want to make this directory bigger so I can put more jobs in it now, all I need to do is hit this expand button. And if I want to make this directory worth 25 jobs, I just put 25 in, and presto, you notice right away, I now have 25 available jobs. So that's a really, really cool feature. Something we're going to do fairly soon because it's come up since people have seen this is the ability to shrink a subdirectory. Somebody accidentally created a job 1200 and now you've got all these unused jobs and it makes the whole process kind of ugly and slow, so you may want to get rid of that job. Maybe copy it down to a lower number and then eliminate all those unused jobs in between. You're going to be able to do that now. I'm not going to keep this segment very long. I just want you to be aware that you can navigate over your whole network drive here and find virtually anything you want. So if I want to go down here to my network places and I want to go out to I'm going out to a place where I know this stuff, and I get in here and I click here, and all of a sudden the minute I see this OK button here, you see here I found a directory that's not initialized for job storage again, so I need to continue to explore. But when you find a directory that has available jobs in it, it will open up and you can see it. So just remember to use this plus key as you're working along. When you're exploring your all your drives looking for available space. And another question that came up quite frequently is, how do I get things out to the floppy? Well, on this machine here, I don't have a floppy drive, so the A drive doesn't show up. But at the highest level, you'll see, and just like I'm seeing a C, a D, and an F, you'll also see an A drive. And if you click on the A drive, it'll open up. And again, if you've got a floppy in there with jobs in it, it will open that floppy file. Work with just like it does with any other drive. So this gives you way more flexibility than you had before in a more Windows-like environment. So if you can manage to get around and navigate in Windows Explorer and get to wherever you want to go, you're going to be able to find benchmark jobs and do whatever.